There is lots of developments out there. They are probably more developed for, let's say, 20% of the people. And this was something to provide the smile for, let's say, the big population of people all over the world. And this way it had to be simplified. And simplification means working direct with the patient. And this was the idea, let's say, to have something available which simplifies the procedure of freehand layering, but at the same time increases the quality of our work, involving, let's say, modern laser technology to treat these materials to, let's say, have the best out of two worlds. Let's say a ceramic surface and a body made out of composite, which just combines elements like flexural strength, but at the same time good adhesion, and on the surface, let's say, something like a ceramic layer which keeps it from discoloration and keeps it shiny and beautiful over a long time.